Wow, it's a miracle, dude. There's actually Hot Wheels here. So L case again, because there is the Car Day Asada. Will we see a Trans Am? Tough to say. The pegs were pretty empty the other day. Oops, Silverado still there. Okay. All right, that's cool. That's cool. Nissan. There is the 787 carryover. There's the Porsche. I don't see no TA. Oh, wait, hello? Oh, okay. What? That was in the L case? What is that? A Tacoma was in the L case? Oh, Florida man is forgetting his cars. Lamborghini's still in there. That's pretty cool. Sesto. Elemento. I don't see a TA, dude. Let's just do the thing. Bugatti Bolide. All right. Pagani, Charger, Porsche again. Yeah, not seeing a TA. Maybe somebody got lucky today. Ducati. Yeah, all good. Oh, Bumblebee is still here. There's so many cars still here. That's weird. Like, that's weird. Where's the TA, right? A little Porsche tune car. Yeah, no TA. So weird, dude. It's not in the front. I always miss the front. Okay, welcome back to the channel, my people. So happy to have you here. Hope everyone is having a wonderful day. Hope you saw yesterday's video. We had a wonderful time at the Diecast Collectibles event at the Thrive Art District up in Fort Lauderdale, Florida, Sunrise Boulevard, east of 95, just a few blocks. It's a wonderful property. We have such a great time there. If you are within at least 1 hour of the property, you have to come to the show. It's totally worth the drive. We have a great time. You can bring items to trade. You can bring items to sell. And you can contact the Florida woman right here. I'll tag her up in the corner, and she will set you up with a table, and you can be part of the fun. As you saw in the beginning of the video, we did do a little bit of hunting. I checked a grocery store. L cases are showing up there. Whatever, dude. We've killed so many L cases, so nothing I'm really looking for out of those boxes. And as you saw, people are leaving some of those cars, and I'm guessing it's because they've already found them elsewhere. In today's video, I will be showing you how to repair the RLC blister card. A lot of you also received them damaged. I know that a few people got them in good shape, so I don't know what happened. Maybe the machine ran out of glue and they just weren't keeping an eye on it. So whatever happened, and I can tell you right now how to repair your RLC Supra. What's also cool is I did learn how to remove the Targa top. So it does have a T-top. You can remove it. It's super easy. I will say it's been an honor to really look at this car up close, have it in my hands. It's a beautiful Spectra Flame Blue. So I will absolutely show you how to fix the blister card if you want yours to be sealed again. What's also cool is the same glue that we're going to use to fix the blister card can repair soft corners. So if you have soft corners on a Hot Wheel that maybe was dropped in the store, you grabbed it, you want her to be perfect, you can absolutely fix soft corners. You will possibly need your parents' permission to order the item. It's available on Amazon. It's something that you can easily get, but you will need, some of you underage, of course, under 18, will need your parents' permission to order this item, and you absolutely need to talk to them before you do it. All right, dude, this table is packed right now. Holy cow, dude. We have stuff that we've purchased. We have stuff from the show. If you didn't see yesterday's video, dude, check it out, bro. We got hooked up like I've never been hooked up before. I mean, this is crazy. That's all I can show you right now. You got to watch the video. We do have items for our next Whatnot show, so get ready for that. It's going to actually possibly be tonight, but it won't be that long. We'll do a quick little show. We'll see what happens. Shout out to John Dam once again for sending these amazing items. I did see your comments. We will absolutely open these Kaido house cars. How could we not? All right, so as far as the Supra goes, so I'm told, I hope we don't break it, you just lift up on the top right here in the front and then pull out. Oh, okay. All right. Mine's out of the gutter. Then pull. Oh, there it is. So, yeah, very easy. It snaps into the back. Dude, look at that thing. Why do the doors not open? Right? Like you did that little moving part, but you couldn't make the doors open. But whatever. It's incredible. Beautiful Spectra Flame Blue. I will be grabbing a microfiber towel and we'll remove all of our fingerprints, including the Florida boys, because he was checking it out. He really liked it. And then we will put it back into the card. I have never opened one of the carded RLC cards, and I absolutely don't want one open. So I'll show you right now what to do. All you got to do is go over to the $1.25 Tree Plus. They sell something called JOT, J-O-T, clear glue. It's a great, safe, permanent glue that leaves no residue, unlike a super glue, where if you use a super glue, there will be a residue, a haze that's left around wherever you glue. So I'll show you about fixing the blister cards after we repair the Supra RLC card using the JOT clear glue from the $1.25 Tree Plus. All right, I have wiped down the Supra. I have my microfiber towel here ready to put it back in to the blister. So I guess we'll do that first. We do have to open the hood. We do have to open the hood so it fits correctly. So I want to wipe everything down, even though we just touched it again. There we go. Okay. Back in the blister you go, sir. Super cool to see you. You're pretty awesome, dude. You are an awesome looking car. Very happy to have this in the PC. It's very simple, guys. We're gonna take our glue, gonna open her up. Hopefully the top isn't messed up. I'm gonna grab a paper towel. 1 second. All right, so what's cool about the clear glue is if we have any excess that gets laid over, we can just dab the paper towel onto the card and remove it. And because it's clear and dries totally clear, we won't see a thing. So let's do a little test actually here. Yep, glue is ready to go. Okay, so we made a little error already, no problem. This is why we grabbed a paper towel. All right, so we're just gonna make a really tiny line. Okay, because the glue is going to spread once we set this back in. So very, very, very thin line. Very thin. The glue is going to spread. We'll probably have to dab the paper towel on the card. But that's it. That's all it takes, guys. A very thin line, as you can see right there. And we will now take this card and carefully realign everything. In fact, I'm going to put the insert into this section first. And now we will overlay carefully the card. I can see right where the line is. It's okay if we have some excess. We can wipe it off. All right, there we go. Matched up the checkers. And from what I can see, we're going to lay her flat right now. Wow, from what I can see, we did a great job, dude. Everything is setting perfectly. We just have to push on the plastic to get that glue everywhere. Again, a very thin line. Don't overdo it. Don't overdo it, guys. There's a little bit coming out down here on the bottom. All good. It's all good. Dude, we fixed it. Wow. Wow, that's incredible. That is incredible. So just take our paper towel. We'll just jot or dot around the edges. You can also like take a little bit of a weight or any type of paperweight or a heavier premium car to hold this down. But I'm just going to let it dry. And I'm going to let it dry. And I'm going to let it ride. And that's going to be it, dude. Like, that's all it takes to fix this. So we'll push everything out, make sure we have no excess glue on the external section of the card. And we literally just fixed the RLC Supra. Unfortunately, it's going to take a day to dry, so I will show you in tomorrow's video the outcome. But I am pushing all of the glue to the edges using the paper towel, and it's sealing right up. Like if I'm going to show you right now. So as you can see, just by taking the paper towel and just going around the edge, we can make the plastic seal with no excess glue on the card. I matched up the checkers perfectly, and that's it. That's all we got to do. It will literally be as good or better than what Mattel would have done. So, very cool. So I see where this little section is trying to release a little bit. I'm probably going to put something there to leave a little weight. Let's see. Nah, I think it's fine, honestly. I mean, none of them are perfect, right? These are toys. But that's it. That's, well, that side right there might need a little weight. Using our Coupe Clip keychain, I'll just set that there. I mean, seriously, it doesn't take a lot of weight. That should be, yep, I see what's going on. Okay, that's it. So we're going to leave that overnight to dry, and it will absolutely be repaired. It's as easy as that. All right, super cool. Thanks to John Dam for all the cool stuff he sent, bro. I've never been emotional over a mail call, but he did it. He did it. I mean, that's all I can say. Thank you, John Dam. You're the man, bro. All right, now this next learning item from the Florida Man, some of you under the age of 18 will need your parents' permission because you're gonna have to order something called an insulin syringe. It's an insulin syringe. What you do is you take this glue, you take off the caps, and then what's cool is the nozzle like fits perfectly right in the end here. So you're gonna remove the plunger just like that. So the plunger is out. I'm not gonna do it now because I have nothing to repair, but you can easily take this nozzle and then fill the syringe or insulin syringe with not all the way because it's going to dry out. It's kind of a one-time use only. As many cards as you have to repair the corners of, you will fill this with the glue, then replace the plunger. And again, with your parents' permission, you kids, you hear me out there. So, for example, let's just say that our Honda S2000 has a soft corner. What's great about the insulin syringe with the glue is I can go in here because the corner would already be soft and you would see layers of cardboard between 5 to 7. You can just go in, insert a little bit of glue, insert a little bit of glue, go in every layer that you have accessible, and then you're going to use something like a paperweight, like I said, any type of weight that you can put on that corner to keep it straight. It will then dry, and after a day, just even 12 hours, it will literally be stronger than from Mattel. I've done this before. I've shown this many, many years ago, but you can do the same trick that we just did to fix the Supra using the JOT $1.25 Plus clear glue with an insulin syringe and repair soft corners on Hot Wheels. It absolutely works. It makes them perfect. They're even stronger than when they came from Mattel. I know you're saying, wow, look at this cool Neon Speeders. Look at this cool Integra. Well, come to a Whatnot show. Okay, we were very lucky to be selected by Whatnot Collectibles to offer you the first exclusive Hot Wheels dairy delivery. Beautiful card. House of Cars was part of this. There's the Whatnot emblem. It's literally a hologram card, like it's holographic. It has some colors there. Super cool. We have number 63, number 14. We're going to do a giveaway, and we're also going to start the number 63 for $1, okay? $1 start on the first exclusive Hot Wheel from Whatnot. in its own protector. Very cool stuff. I'm going to do my show on November 14th. So November 14th, I will have both the $1 car and the giveaway car in the show. So I hope you're there. Here's your QR code to get a free $15. So if you have not joined the app or your profile is within 30 days old, use that QR code right there and you will absolutely have a chance to get a limited, only one of 125 Whatnot Collectibles Hot Wheel. It's incredible. I mean, I wish I could keep one, dude. They're like, nope, sorry, you could be part of the program, but you can't keep one. You got to sell it. Like, all right, whatever, dude. It's fine. If we had the chase, I mean, some sellers got a chase. There's going to be guys out there doing shows that have 1 of 10 that have a pearl white finish with a white tire. I'll put a picture right here. It's amazing. It's amazing. I wish we would have got a chase, but we still got a really cool low number, number 14. So, however I said it before, number 63 will be our giveaway. We will give this away for free on November 14th, and then the number 14 car will be a $1 start. That's what they said. I said, really, $1. I'm like, what if it only goes for $1? They said, don't worry, Chris, Florida man. You just do what we say. And I said, all right. You guys have been good to me. I'll be good to you. All right, that's gonna do it for this video. Thank you so much for being here. I really hope you watch yesterday's video from the Thrive Art District. It was such a fun time. I love being there. It's a wonderful property between the food, the air conditioning, the bathrooms. It's great. It's a great property. Shout out to the Florida woman for allowing us to have this ability to do an event like this every single month. We only have a toy expo before this 2 times a year. So to have an opportunity like this at the Thrive Art District, shout out to the owners for letting us do this as well. Super cool stuff. If you'd like to be a vendor, just hit her up. Again, I'll tag her right here in the corner. Just send a DM and she will get you set up with a table and you can be part of the fun with all of us. Thank you again for being here. I really appreciate all you. Can't wait to see you in the next one. And I actually may do a Whatnot show late tonight, late for the Florida Man. It won't be a long show, but we'll probably do it. Thank you. And before ending today's video, I just want to give a shout out to Tom, who is one of our major community supporters. He's been an OG on the channel for a while. I'm going to tag him up in the corner right here, HW_Viper_man. Send him a message, send him your prayers. He's going through a little bit of a rough time right now, and sometimes when you get a couple nice messages from a few people, it really boosts your day. So please send the dude a message, send him some prayers. I'm not going to say what he's going through, but he can let you know. Just send him a little DM telling him I hope you're having a really great day. That would mean a lot to me, really. Thank you.